Congratulations on choosing the AirFit P10 Nasal Pillows Mask, a quieter mask to fit your sleep. As you'll discover, it can be fitted in under 30 seconds. Just like Resmed's Swift FX mask, your AirFit P10 comes with pillows attached. You'll see left and right side symbols, plus the size, at the bottom of the pillows, to make it easy to put on correctly. If you run your finger over the sizing window, you'll feel it's shiny to make it easy to check at night. So let's begin. Hold the mask close to your nose. Now put the pillows in your nose. If the pillows in your AirFit P10 are not fitting well, they may not be the best size for you. Included in the pack are 2 others to try that may fit in your nostrils better. If in doubt, consult with your physician to review the sizing of your mask. Your equipment supplier can also provide valuable advice. Now hold the lower strap and pull the headgear over by stretching it around the back of your head. The top strap should sit comfortably on top of your head. To get a comfortable fit, adjust the quick fit split straps by drawing them closer together to tighten, or by spreading them apart to loosen. If you have long hair, just pull it out and style it over the strap, as the lower strap goes over or under your hair. Finally, connect the end of the mask's tube into the air tubing of your device. Turn it on. A light breeze should be felt through the vent, and you're done. Your mask is now ready to use. Resmed's AirFit P10 Nasal Pillows Mask with advanced quiet air venting is a quieter mask to fit your sleep. Life starts with a mask that helps give you the sleep you need to enjoy every day. The AirFit P10 by Resmed.